Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is July 17th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, yesterday we conducted a webinar with the folks at Top Step Trader, and we spent some time talking to them about the oil trading group and our risk management profile. And today was day one of the Top Step Trader $50,000 combine. There is a profit objective on that combine of $3,000, and today was day one of that. We finished the day here at just over $1,000, so we got a third of the way through today in one day. That by no means that we're finished, but it is a good start to the combine. Let's talk about what we did in here today. First thing I'm going to do here is let's take a look here at the CL for a minute. All right, so today was crude oil inventory report day. It's also contract rollover period. The market sold off. This bar right here came down right into one of your market maker levels here and then rallied back up. So it came right down into one of your market maker levels right after the inventory number, rallied back up. We were looking to get short here at 89. It's kind of hard to see here, but the market came into VWAP, then pulled back underneath that daily structure mid. This is where we were looking to get short, and I took a stop. In fact, when you watch this trade of the day video today, you're going to see that I was down 10 ticks times 2 lots on the CL to get started. Once the market rallied up into this 58.12 sweet spot, we talked about this being a place in the room where we were looking for the market to maybe potentially pause. It did. It broke back under volume weighted average price, back under our structure mid, and this is where you're going to see us look to get short. We were looking to try to come down into this 57.18 targeting location. The market comes down, peels back up here, and this was where we got stopped on the trail stop back up over the top of the daily structure signal. We were looking to come down into this DS target, and ultimately it did. It had to pull back here first. I ended up with a 42-tick trade with a 9-tick stop. So we had a 9-tick initial stop, ended up at 42 ticks. Had the market not done this one additional rally, this would have ended up being about a 70-tick trade with a 9-tick stop. But as it was, it ended up being 42 ticks with a 9-tick stop, and that's how we ended up getting in here today. If you have not done so already and you're interested in that introductory course, I'll include a link in the email that I send out with this video today. But if you haven't already done so, this introductory course right here, I will teach you how to draw that sweet spot retracement, and that is a really powerful tool. And today, if you'd have gotten short up there, which I did not, that 58.12 actually ran all the way down. Let's just see where the market is now. That 58.12 ran all the way down here. Pretty good distance. The low of the day was 56.46. So from this area right up here, this was the this is that sweet spot retracement area, and again, it's in our introductory training course. That right there, whoops, yeah, let me see, they grabbed the wrong one. Let's just measure this. So from here down to here is 166 ticks from that sweet spot retracement. We got in up here. We ended up up here today. Whoops, move that back here to 12. And we ended up getting in on our trade today here, and that was 144 ticks. So again, really good trade today. This one little pullback right here was enough to kind of stop me out and from having a massive CL trade today. But as it was, we ended up with a pretty good trade. If you take a look here today on the ES, we had a level here, and again, we talk about this 2.5 point box. We were looking long here today, right here at this 93 area. This was one of the areas that we were looking at. We ended up getting long here, and that's what you'll see on the ES trade of the day. I got stopped out at 4.25 points. This 93 trail stopped me out right here at 97. I was at 97.25 on the stop, and then we had a target of 7 points to 3,000 even. It got to 3,002 half. Again, but I got stopped out here at 4.25 points. So that's what you see up here, 4.25 points, 640, over $1,000 here today on day one of the Top Step Trader Trading Combine. And that's how we got into our trades, and that's how we ended up doing it today. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you both of those trades. The way that it works here, if you're new, and there are going to be several of you that are new to our videos, the way that it works, I'm going to show you exactly where it is that I get in. You're going to hear me talk about the entry. You're going to see me place the stop. We'll talk about a target. And then I'm going to take the entirety of that trade, chop it up, speed it up, and put some music behind it and shorten those videos so that you can get a sense for the way that the trade was as we were going through it. So that's the way that we do our trade of the day videos. I'm going to show you the OTG trade of the day for the CL and also for the ES. Again, this was day one of our Top Step Trader Trading Combine. We finished up over $1,000. So without further ado, here are the OTG trades of the day. Here's hit but no fill at 89, in at 89. Stop here. Man, we need to be careful. Right now, stop is 98. If this moves up a point off of that 93 hit, but there's hit but no fill again at 93. Hit but no fill. Hit but no fill. In finally at 93, stop 91. I'm not going to get married to this thing. We're going to look at a target up here at, I'm going to look to get safe. The DS extension 1 is going to be your first targeting location.